Hello, my dear buddies. Welcome back to English Fluency Buddy. My name is Olivia, and I'm really happy you're here with me today. Thank you so much for joining me. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you never miss a new video. We're here to help you speak better English. Today's topic is very important for everyone learning English, so sit back, relax, and let's begin. Let me ask you something. Do you often think in your native language and then try to change the words into English? Do you translate everything in your head before speaking? If you said yes, don't worry. Many English learners do this. I also used to do it when I started learning new languages. It's very common. But I want to tell you something. This habit of translating in your head can make English harder. It can slow you down when you speak. You might pause a lot, forget words, or feel nervous. That is because your brain is working double when it thinks in your language and then changes it into English. Now, here is the good news. You don't have to do this forever. You can train your brain to think directly in English. Yes, that's right. You can learn to think in English. And when you do, speaking becomes faster. Listening becomes easier. Writing feels more natural. Everything gets better. When you think in English, you do not need to translate every sentence. Your words come quickly, you sound more confident, you feel more relaxed, you even begin to enjoy speaking. Let me give you an example. In some languages, people say, I have hunger, but in English we say, I'm hungry. If you translate, you might say something wrong. But if you think in English, you say it right the first time. This is why thinking in English is so helpful. So today, I will help you. I will share many simple and easy tips. You can start them today. They will help your brain slowly stop translating and start thinking in English. Don't worry, it takes time, but you can do it. Now let's talk about what stops us from thinking in English. The first problem is translating every word. If you always change your language into English, your brain stays stuck. It cannot move freely in English. The second problem is trying to speak perfect English. You wait and wait until the grammar is correct in your head, but then you forget what to say. Remember, it's okay to make small mistakes. It's more important to speak and practice. The third problem is being afraid to speak. Maybe you feel shy, maybe you think people will laugh. But no, don't worry, everyone makes mistakes. Even native speakers make mistakes sometimes. The fourth problem is only using English in class. If you only use English during lessons, your brain will not get enough practice. You need to use English in your daily life too. Practice makes progress. So now, let me give you 6 powerful steps to help your brain think in English. Step 1. Look around you and name things in English. For example, you see a chair? Say, chair. See your phone? Say, this is my phone. You don't need to say a big sentence. Just simple words. This helps your brain connect pictures with English words. Step 2. Speak to yourself in English every day. Yes, talk to yourself. You can say, I'm making tea, or I am brushing my hair. These small actions help your brain learn. Even if you talk for 2 minutes, it helps. Step 3. Stop using translation apps. Try using an English dictionary with simple definitions. For example, if you look up the word happy, the dictionary might say, feeling good or smiling. Now you learn the word using English, not your first language. Step 4. Keep your English simple. Don't try to use big grammar. Use easy sentences like, it is cold today, or I feel sleepy. Over time, your sentences will grow longer. But starting simple helps you begin. Step 5. Pretend you are talking to a friend in your head. Ask yourself small questions like, what will I eat today? Or what time is it now? This makes thinking in English fun and natural. Step 6. Surround yourself with English. Change your phone to English. Watch English YouTube videos. Listen to English music or podcasts. The more English you hear, the more your brain gets used to it. It becomes normal. Let's now talk about daily habits you can try. When you wake up in the morning, try to think in English. You can say, "Good morning. Today is Monday. I will go to school." Later, maybe you take a walk. Look around. Say, "The sky is blue," or "There are many cars." At night, before sleeping, think, "Today I had lunch with my friend. We talked about movies." Also, try this challenge. Choose 20 minutes a day to think only in English. You can do this while cooking, walking, cleaning, or resting. Speak out loud or just think silently. Say what you are doing. I am opening the fridge. I am washing dishes. Or I am folding clothes. This is real practice. This is how your brain learns English like a native speaker. You can also keep a small English journal. Every night, write 3 or 4 sentences. For example, "Today I went shopping. I bought apples. The weather was hot. I felt tired." Don't worry about grammar. This is not for school. This is for your brain. Now, let's look at common problems and how to fix them. Problem 1. You still think in your language. That's okay. Start with short English phrases. Don't push too hard. Just try a little every day. Problem 2. You forget some words. That is normal. Don't stop. If you don't know the word air conditioner, say the machine that makes the room cold. This is still good English. Problem 3. You feel like you're not improving. That is normal too. Learning a language takes time. Sometimes we don't see progress. But if you write your sentences or record your voice, you will see the change after 1 or 2 weeks. Remember this. Thinking in English is a skill. It is just like learning how to ride a bike or play a guitar. At first, it feels hard, but if you do a little practice every day, you get better and better. Don't worry about mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. Don't be shy. Don't give up. Keep going. So, I want to ask you, which tip will you try first? Maybe talking to yourself or writing in a journal? Tell me in the comments below. I would love to hear what you're doing. If you liked this video and you learned something today, please like, share, and subscribe to English Fluency Buddy. That way, you don't miss any new videos. Thank you for watching. Keep learning, keep thinking in English, and do subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, happy learning and take care.